Hey y'all, I'm Coco Whit. Welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't been here before, this is Wellness with Whit, and we are exploring food, health, and beauty the holistic way. We've talked about the oil cleansing method, we've talked about foods that help your skin be more beautiful, we've talked about your hair and coconut oil mask that you can do to keep your hair nourished. Today, we are talking about the whole body. The skin on your body, if you didn't know, it is actually the largest organ that you have, so we should be taking really good care of it, right? So today I have two things that I like to do when I really want to treat myself. We're gonna do a mask and we're gonna do a body scrub. They're both obviously made with whole natural ingredients, so let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna do a clay mask, and we're not just gonna do it on the face like you often see, but we're gonna do it all over the body. Well, not really, but down to about here. Industry professionals say that your facial skin actually goes down all the way till about mid-chest. So you should be treating the skin up here like you do your face. And I figured, why not take it an extra step, put it on my arms, my back, who knows, maybe my bum, we'll see. Redmond Clay is also known as bentonite clay or Aztec healing clay. You can find it a number of places. It's known for pulling out toxins. It has 50 plus trace minerals in it, which are essential to the body. And I find that overall it just helps my skin smooth and tighten, which is really nice. I take a couple scoops of clay, mix it with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You could do all apple cider vinegar, but I find because my skin is sensitive, it's better to use part vinegar, part water. And then however much more thinning out I need, I use water for that. The thing about the clay is it's a little bit stubborn, so it does tend to clump, and you can spend all of your time trying to get the clumps to go away, but it's a pain, so I just kind of let it be. I've taken all my makeup off in order to get the most benefit out of using this mask, and we're just gonna go ahead and get a little bit messy here and just start putting it on a face. You can use like something to paint it on if you want. And I don't have a mirror, so we're gonna hope for the best here. This is the fun part. This is when you get to just put it all over. Getting it on my shirt, so it's great. If you ever feel like your skin is a little bit rough, or you find that you have blemishes on your back or your chest, this is a really good way to help control that. It does smooth the skin out quite a bit, and because it's good for acne, it's not just good for acne on your face, but everywhere.
Left cheek maybe a little more.
Here?
Yeah. Outside, yeah. More over there, yeah. Yeah, like that.
Alright, so we're gonna cut. I'm gonna let this sit, and then we'll come back and check in on it. Okay, so we've taken it to the bathroom, and I'm just waiting for like spots like this to dry, and then once I look fully like a creature from the Black Lagoon, then we're good to go. I'm gonna shower it all off. Alright, so I'm going to talk about a coffee body scrub. Now, it is known for helping reduce cellulite, but here's the thing. Let's say you're on a journey and you're like,
Coco, I just figured out that cellulite is fine, everybody has it, and I don't want to do something that's going to reduce my cellulite.
Good for you. So we're not gonna make this about that. I loved using this coffee body scrub because it's made with things that I already have lying around my house. It's really invigorating for the skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. So where's the harm in that? Start with half a cup of coffee grounds. They can be already used or not used yet. Add a quarter cup of sugar of your choice. I had coconut sugar lying around. And then I did a quarter cup of organic sesame oil. You can also use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, whatever works for you. So you mix it up until it's combined, and then You probably won't go through all of this in one use, so go ahead and keep it in an airtight container for next time. Little side note here, and that is that if you have old pipes, I don't know if I would recommend doing this scrub. Especially if you use coconut oil, it could definitely cause some clogged drain issues. That doesn't sound so great. Probably not worth it. So only do this if you feel pretty confident that your drains in your shower are sturdy and good to go. So obviously I can't show you fully how this goes down, but you know probably how to scrub things on your body. So we're gonna let your imagination do most of the work. We're gonna take our scrub.
Ooh, it's gonna get messy.
Just a little spoonful and rub it, obviously on your body anywhere, but in a circular motion. Oh, here we go. In a circular motion until you've covered the whole body. No man left behind. Scrub your booty, scrub your back as much as you can reach. Feet, this is great for feet, elbows, do it all. I don't know if I would scrub my face with this. Might be a little bit too harsh on your face. So you're gonna scrub the whole body down and then rinse it off. Done.
We done?
Yeah.
Help me.
Alright y'all, so that's a wrap. Like this video if you think that your skin is great and it's necessary for living as a human being, because that's the truth. Try these things at home, see how you like them, and show your skin some love. As always, if you want to stay up to date on what's going on, hit that red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you next time.